My name is Kate Runge and I graduated from Monmouth College in 2011. I'm currently Director of Marketing and Events Coordinator at Living Lands and Waters. Living Lands and Water is a nonprofit river cleanup organization based out of East Moline, Illinois. We've worked in 23 rivers in 20 states, and with the help of over 80,000 volunteers, we've cleaned up 8.3 million pounds of trash out of U.S. waterways since we started. What I do there is I write press releases, I coordinate press conferences, all the press kits that go together for that. I maintain the website, the social media. I also do event coordination with Alternative Spring Break for college kids, the Great Mississippi River Cleanup, and any sponsored cleanups that we might do. I'm excited to see what Monmouth College is doing combining science and business because it's something that's part of my everyday life. I think it's going to be important in the future. The science behind our educational workshops, our macroinvertebrate labs and watershed models and water quality testing, and that helps us thrive and show people that we're making a difference or in the water quality. And on my side of the marketing, what we do and how we do it. Obviously, cleaning the rivers is one thing, but the educational workshops and the science behind it is what's showing the people that we're making a difference. So I came to Monmouth College and I was an education major, pretty set on that's what I was going to do with my life, be a teacher. It was kind of through the mix of communications, public speaking classes that I realized that I wanted to be a public relations major. And it was through that major that really made me grow into the person I am and gave me the chance to explore other options, but those detours are what led me to my final destination. When I left Monmouth College, I felt very prepared to go into the workforce because I knew what I liked to do and I had discovered that part of me, and I knew that I was good at it or that I could learn how to do it. The liberal arts curriculum allowed me to explore so many different things that I knew that I was going to be able to succeed in anything I decided to tackle.